Hello students, best wishes. Now I Hassan sir going to explain chapter 1 exercise 1.6 NCERT of number system. Let's start. Class 9th NCERT chapter 1 number system exercise 1.6. Now laws of exponents for real numbers. First law is a to the power m multiply a to the power n. Base is same, power is different. So it is a base m plus n. Power is added. M and n, m plus n. Power is added. Second, a to the power m whole to the power n equals to a to the power mn. Power over power is multiplied. M is multiplied to n. A to the power mn. Third, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n. It is just inverse of multiplication. In multiply, power is added. In divide, power is subtracted. Fourth, a to the power m multiply b to the power m. Here power is same. Have a look. M power is m, b to the power m, power is same, m. So base is multiplied. A multiply b, that is ab whole to the power m, and a to the power 0 equals to 1. Any base to power 0 equals to 1. A to the power 0 equals to 1. 1 upon an equals to a to the power minus n. First, find 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. 64 1 by 2. 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 1 by 2. So 2 to the power 6 multiply 1 by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 2 multiply 2 equals to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Here prime factorization of 64, that is 2 2 2 2 2 2. 6 2s in a rows. Second, 32 raised to the power 1 by 5. 32 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 5 times. So 2 to the power 5 multiply 1 by 5. 5 and 5 cancelled out. 1 left. So it is 2 to the power 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 125 raised to the power 1 by 3. 125. 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. As you know, 5 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3. 5 to the power 3 multiply 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 ones are 1. 5 to the power 1, that is 5. Question 2. Find first 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 is 3 into 3. 3 square power 3 by 2. So 2 multiply 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 to the power 3, that is 3. 3s are 9. 3s are 27 equals to 27. Second part. Second part is 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. 32, as we know, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 by 5. 2 to the power 5 multiply 2 by 5. 5 and 5 cancelled. 2 left. 2 ones are 2. 2 to the power 2 equals to 2 into 2 equals to 4. Now third part. 16 to the power 3 by 4. 16 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. 2 to the power 4 multiplied 3 by 4. Power over power is multiplied. 4 and 4 cancelled out. 3 ones are 3. 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 equals to 8. Fourth part, 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 to the power 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 multiply minus 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cancelled out. 1 ones are 1. So 5 to the power minus 1. 1 upon 5 to the power 1 equals to 1 upon 5. Simplify. First, 2 to the power 2 by 3 multiply 2 to the power 1 by 5. Look here, base is same, power is different. So 2 to the power 2 by 3, 2 to the power 1 by 5, power is added. 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. LCM is 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, so 10 plus 3, 13 by 15, so 2 to the power 13 by 15. Second part, 1 upon 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 7. So 3 to the power minus 3, it is shifted upward. 3 to the power minus 3 whole to the power 7. So 3 power over power multiplied, minus 3 into 7, 3 7s are 21, 3 to the power minus 21. Okay, third part, 11 to the power 1 by 2, 11 to the power 1 by 4, base is same, power is subtracted. 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, that is 2 minus 1 by 4. 11 to the power 2 minus 1 by 4 equals to 11 to the power 1 by 4. Fourth part, 7 to the power 1 by 2, 8 to the power 1 by 2. Power is same, base is different, the base is multiplied. 7 into 8 whole to the power 1 by 2 equals to 7 8s are 56, 56 to the power 1 by 2. Important questions of exercise 1.6 are: question 1, first part, second part; question 2, second part and third part; question 3, fourth part. Please like, share and subscribe my videos and support me. Thanks for watching. Thank you.